Hey everybody, welcome back to my little computer channel. I have actually been really busy with selling everything. I've sold everything. I had like about 10 laptops. I couldn't make any videos. My legs were hurting really bad. I was trying to make money and then I got hurt and I couldn't sell anything for about a week. I couldn't do anything. I want to pick up this little Asus Tuf gaming laptop. I think I paid like about $150-200 for it. It's Ryzen 7 3750H. It has the 1650 graphics card, so you know you're good for like probably like esports. This guy said he was looking for one for The Sims, so it should be good for The Sims. And it definitely needs to be cleaned off, though. She's a bit dirty, we'll say. Just a bit dirty. So, anyways, yeah. So, anyways, I don't know. This was going to start picking up laptops, showing you what they look like. You can see it's pretty. She's pretty dirty. So, I'll be cleaning it up. And I'll probably check to see how bad the fans are. If they don't look super bad, I will just leave them closed. But you know how that goes. And I don't think anything's even plugged in right now. It is not plugged in. But yeah, she's a little dirty. And let's get into cleaner. Hopefully there's nothing, any surprises in here. But yeah, anyways. The specs is Asus Tuf gaming laptop, has the 1650, the Ryzen, the 8 gig RAM, 512. Seems like it's running alright. So the battery still holds a charge. So let me get into it and see what happens here. So I have a small little update to throw in with this. I wound up having some issues. Everything updated, installed fine. Everything was all good. Ran some tests, opened it, closed it. And then let it sit for about a day. And it started blue screening on me, throwing up storage errors. So I do believe I have a bad M2. So it's not that bad. Which kind of sucks, because, I don't have a lot of parts. I will try to screw with this again at some point, but yeah, for now it's going to be bad. I do also have a few video cards and a computer I'll be showing off a little bit. And then maybe one I'll be repairing, but I don't know. I'm not so good at making these videos, so But I figured I'd update it, so I had to throw in. I doubled the RAM. We went to 16 gig RAM, and for AMD, so it's 2 sticks, and that'll gonna really help the performance quite a bit. So we've got let's see, hopefully, is it active? Hopefully it's BIOS activated. I have not checked that. Is active, thank goodness. Okay, I just want to make sure it wasn't tied to the drive. Sometimes they do it like that, but it's activated, and we got a Ryzen 7 3750H Radeon with a 1650 NVIDIA, 16 gig of usable RAM now, and a 1 terabyte M.2 drive. That was a 512, which I used from another computer that I parted out and did some dealing on. Has a bad motherboard, so have to get a motherboard and storage and all kinds of stuff to fix that up, but that's for another month. Anyways, I've been having a lot of issues with my knees and walking, and we got food poisoning, and just a bunch of stuff happened, so been a little lacking on these videos. But yeah, so far so good, and looks like it's ready to be put back up for sale. Then I'm gonna have to get a minimum of 300 now, just due to the fact that, you know, due to the fact that I had to put a new storage, 1 terabyte M.2, and double the RAM. So that's worth the extra $50, I guess. As you can see, it's running pretty good. This is just off the battery right now, so not too bad. Getting over 60 just on the battery. 70, 80. Not too bad for an older laptop, you know, the e-sport laptop. Basically now it's good for esports. So you can get away with like Fortnite and, you know, some basicer games, nothing too fancy. You're not going to play like Apex Legends or Call of Duty or anything like that really on it. Unless you don't mind playing on 720p, then you might be able to slide. But anyways, this is Retrocidal, or, you know, Retro signing out. Hopefully you enjoyed my little video here and the update. Sorry I didn't really record it. I've been having an issue walking, and we got food poisoning, and just things haven't been going that great. So, but anyways, take care, sub-like, and I'll keep making these videos. Eventually, maybe I'll get the hang of making videos like this. You know, it's just all a learning experience.